In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PTR record in Cloudflare. To get started, sign into your Cloudflare account and head to your dashboard. Once you're there, click on Domains and choose the domain you want to work with. This will open the settings area for that specific domain, where you can manage different parts of its configuration. After the domain settings page opens, look over to the left-hand side and click on DNS, then select Records. This is the section where Cloudflare stores and manages the DNS entries connected to your domain. If you've worked with DNS before, this is where you'll normally find records like A, to name, MX, and others. In this case, we're focusing specifically on adding a PTR record. Once you're in the Records section, click the Add Record button. This will open the form where you can create a new DNS record. Cloudflare gives you a list of available record types, so the next thing you need to do is choose PTR from that list. Make sure you select the correct type, since each DNS record serves a different purpose, and using the wrong one can cause issues with how your domain or related services resolve. After selecting PTR, you'll need to fill in the required fields. Enter the name exactly as needed, then provide the domain name in the appropriate field. It's important to double-check everything here before saving, because DNS records need to be accurate to function properly. Even a small typo can prevent the record from working as expected. When all the information has been entered, click Save. Cloudflare will then add the PTR record to your DNS settings. In many cases, the change appears quickly, but keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate, depending on the configuration and network conditions. And that's it. You've successfully added a PTR record in Cloudflare. As a quick tip, after saving the record, it's always a good idea to review the entry in your DNS list to make sure the details were entered correctly. That simple check can help you catch mistakes early and avoid troubleshooting later. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to add a PTR record in Cloudflare.